Hi, I'm Greg Dell with Dell & Schaefer, and today I have attorney Stephen Jessup with me.
Greg.
And today we're going to talk about Trustmark Financial Advisors. The reason we want to talk about Trustmark today is recently our firm's been getting an influx of phone calls about Trustmark employees, Trustmark field reps they call themselves, that are wanting to do interviews of the claimants. Now we know that's something that Trustmark's been doing for a long time. They seem to have elevated the level of scrutiny that they're putting on claims lately, but what can you tell the people watching this video, Steve, what should they expect during these interviews, and why is Trustmark requesting these interviews?
I mean, what to expect? They're obviously going to ask you, what have you been up to, any updates in treatment, a typical field interview type thing. There might be a variety of reasons why they want to visit with you, whether it's they have concerns about the validity of the claim. I don't know necessarily how much you see video surveillance, but there might just be some concerns. Sometimes they're reaching out to not only get an update, but to see if maybe there's some type of situation where you might be interested in trying to resolve the case by way of a lump sum settlement. They do have a tendency more than the other ones, though, to be very active in meeting with their insureds. And all the clients I've represented from Trustmark, that was definitely the experience where it's not just a voice on the phone, it's a physical person that's going to come and want to meet with you.
Right. I mean, I think it can be a positive or it can be a negative. More often than not, unfortunately, it can be negative because you have to assume that they've done some video surveillance or they've gotten some medical records reviewed, and now they want to come in and try to ask questions which could jeopardize the claim. I mean, really start asking you questions that could put the claimant in a position where their claim can be denied. So I think a claimant has to be very cautious if the company wants to come. I mean, I see in a lot of Trustmark, they come early on in the claim.
Yeah, very early. They get involved very early and try to be really, I wouldn't say aggressive, but you're not waiting for them.
And the other thing that I find from my experience, because we know numerous of the employees at Trustmark and these claim reps, claim managers, field interviewers, whatever they call themselves, who go out, and they come across as very nice people and they're always respectful. But you can never forget that they're trained to do their job, meaning to look for reasons in your claim that you shouldn't be paid. And I think that a smart thing for them to do is to come in being nice, but at the end of the day, they're not really looking out for the best interest of the claimant because they're working for the company and they're looking out for their company. So if you have a Trustmark claim or a claim that's being managed by Trustmark Financial Advisors, feel free to give us a call at any time. We'll discuss your claim with you, especially if you've been called about one of these interviews. We'll let you know immediately whether or not we think we can assist you, and we're always available to speak with you.